During pregnancy, your body grows an entirely new organ and then throws it away. This temporary organ will soon become the baby's lifeline, the remarkable placenta. But how does the placenta grow from microscopic cells into this complex organ? The story begins shortly after fertilization, before the placenta even exists. As these cells multiply, they begin preparing for completely different biological roles. The embryo becomes a blastocyst, containing cells destined to build its support system. After reaching the uterus, the tiny blastocyst searches for somewhere to attach. Now comes a critical moment. The tiny embryo begins attaching itself to the uterus. Specialized cells spread into the uterine lining, beginning construction of an entirely new organ. These microscopic structures will eventually develop into one of pregnancy's most important organs. These tiny branches are chorionic villi, dramatically expanding the placenta's surface area. Soon, maternal blood begins flowing around these villi, bringing oxygen and essential nutrients. Meanwhile, tiny fetal blood vessels grow inside these branches, creating another circulation system. Their circulations come incredibly close together, but their blood normally does not directly mix. Oxygen crosses this microscopic barrier and enters the developing baby's bloodstream within seconds. Essential nutrients cross too, providing the raw materials needed for extraordinary fetal growth. Waste products travel the opposite way, allowing the mother's body to remove them. The umbilical cord becomes the highway, connecting this remarkable organ directly to the baby. Month by month, the placenta becomes a sophisticated life support system, working every second. From microscopic cells to life-supporting organ, the placenta is one of pregnancy's greatest transformations.